But what if I take it off and it come off looking just like this? Y'all, this look darker than a medium brown. Like, what's going on? Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, what's up, Glow Gang? And if you are new here and you are glowing, honey, hit that subscribe button so we can all glow together, because the Glow Gang is the best gang to be in. Okay? So today I will be doing an eyebrow wax and a tint on myself by using this Mina Henna Brow tint. It's a semi-permanent. It stays up to 6 weeks. So yeah, this is my first time actually tinting my own eyebrows, and yeah, I'm excited to use this. I hope it lasts, because I always like for my eyebrows to be, because my eyebrows are kind of sparse, as you can see. My eyebrows are really sparse, thin, and yeah, honey, I want to darken them up a little bit so I ain't got to do too much, and I could just not have to really fill my brows at all. So yeah, we're gonna see what this is about. Okay, so first I'm about to get into my eyebrow wax. I am using the Star Peel wax, the blue film wax, and I have not waxed my eyebrows, even though it looked like it. I have not waxed my eyebrows in months, literally months. So it kind of needed, girl. It kind of needed. I'm gonna clean them up a little bit. So I'm gonna just go through this real quick, because I really just wanted to clean my eyebrows up before I tinted them, and I'm like, why not record it? Now that I'm done waxing my brows, I'm going to just take a little bit of vitamin E oil and wipe across them. Oh, this is what happens when you use cheap pads. They end up coming all apart on your face. Okay, so now let's get to tinting these eyebrows. So I just pulled out all the contents in my henna box. Again, I don't think I said what color I am using. I am using the medium brown. I read the reviews and they said medium brown should make it just dark enough to look natural, and that is what I'm looking for. So in the box they give you the actual henna powder. They give you a little tube to keep the rest of your leftovers out the pack in. They give you a dropper. They give you a cup to mix it with, and they give you a spoon. They also give you a instruction booklet in it. So in each one of these packs, is supposed to be up to 10 uses in each pack, and you get 3 packs. I think that's 3 packs in there. Yep, 3 packs. So let's get to doing this, shall we? Oh, and I did not get a brush to actually apply it, so I just have my own angle, a small angle brush. I just have a small angle brush that I'm going to use to apply it. Nothing special. I have me a small bowl of, what is this? Y'all, I done got some on my shirt. I don't even know what it is. I don't know if it's oil or water, but the show must goes on. All right, so I got me a bowl of water, and I'm going to take my little droplet here. I mean, my droplet. Your what journal? Okay. Open this up.
A few moments later.
What? They should have gave you something to cut it with too, to open this up. Like, hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, now that we got this open. Oh, I done opened it, y'all, and what is in it? Another pack that I need to open. It's literally not a lot that come in it. But let's see. I just put a half of spoon that they gave, again, in the little cup that they provided. They said just take a half a teaspoon, so that's what I did. And now I'm about to take this dropper and suck up some water and drop some. I really didn't drop that much, maybe like a half of this dropper. Not even a half, like literally just one little squirt up, you know. All right, so now I'm gonna take the spoon and mix it. And it says it's supposed to make a paste. Let's see if I can see. I don't know, I think I'm gonna need some more. I think I need some more powder. And a tad bit more water. All right, I'm gonna squirt some more water in now. I don't know if these little beads are supposed to dissolve too or what, but yeah, it looks like a paste to me. I'm finna see how this goes. All right, so now here goes nothing. I look crazy. So it said after you apply the tint, you want to wait for 10 to 15 minutes. So I watched a video of this girl using the Mina Henna Brow, and she said she left hers on for like 30 minutes. So I think I'm gonna wait 30 minutes instead. Well, I'm gonna come back in 15 minutes to wipe it off the front of my eyebrow, and then I'll leave the rest on for the next 15. 10 minutes in so far, and y'all, I am nervous. Cause what if I take it off and it come off looking just like this? Y'all, this look darker than a medium brown. Like, what's going on? Okay, it's been 15 minutes and I am about to wipe the front of my eyebrow off. So, wish me luck, y'all. Okay, so I just wiped the front part off. I see a little bit of a difference, y'all, and it's not actually that dark. So this is like, I don't know if it's gonna be a complete fail or not, because it don't look that dark to me, y'all. So hopefully the rest of my brow turn out good. See you in another 15 minutes. Okay, we are back and it has been 30 minutes. So let's see how this went, shall we? I am not knocking this. Like, my eyebrows are definitely darker. They're definitely darker. But on this side, as you can see, I have like some little spotting right here. I don't know how I made that happen, but it's there. Hopefully it comes off. I'm gonna keep trying to wipe at it. Well, I don't want to keep trying to wipe at my eyebrow, just this little dots around here. But yeah, so it worked. It didn't make my eyebrow too dark. Like, I really see myself using this product to darken up my eyebrows, to set my eyebrows more, because this is how I like my eyebrows to look more full, more. Girl, do you see these brows? Do you see them? Do you see them, baby? Eyebrows on fleek, the fuck. Y'all, so I actually decided to go back in because I noticed this brow wasn't really as dark as this brow towards the front. So I filled that in a little bit more. And then I went back and I filled in the sparse areas that I seen again on this side a little bit more. Yeah, so after I take this off, I'm only gonna leave this on for about 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna take it off. So after I take this off, then I will show y'all the actual finishing results. Okay, so I am finished. My only suggestion would be maybe to mix it in a little bit more than I did, because I guess I didn't mix it in good enough, and I was supposed to mix in the white balls that was in there. Like, I kept seeing the little white balls. Guess I was supposed to mix it in more too. But yeah. Alright, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all next time. Bye.